You have a right to tell your story, make it valuable. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. So everybody has a story. Everyone has good chapters, bad chapters within your book. Everybody has a story to tell. You're living your life. Your life is a story, and that story can always be changed. Don't be scared to share your story. Don't be scared to tell your story exactly the way it happens. Sometimes people feel like they have to hide themselves because they won't be accepted in society. They have to hide themselves because they won't get the job role that they wanted. They have to hide part of who they are so that they can get this person that they deem as their perfect partner. You have to be confident within your story. You have to accept all your flaws. You have to accept everything that's happened to you, whether it's good, whether it's bad, and the ugly. You have to be able to own your story. It happened to you, yes, but it doesn't define you. If you've had traumatic experiences, don't bottle them up into and push them to the back burner, because eventually they'll come out. If you've got some really bad habits, don't try and push them aside, because eventually those will come out as well. You can't hide yourself from people because you're ashamed. Don't be ashamed of who you are and where you come from. Don't be ashamed of all the experiences that you've gone through. They're part of what makes you you. You never really know whose life you will impact simply just by telling your story. You never really know how much value you can add to somebody else's life just by telling your story. After all, we all really connect from relating to our stories. So don't hide a huge part of yourself just to fit a particular role, just to fit a job role, or just to mold yourself because this is how you think people in that career behave. This is how you think people in business behave. You have to really stand for your morals. You have to stand for who you are. Be true to yourself. Do not hide your story. Things happened. They happen for a reason, whatever there may be. You'll be surprised at how everybody can relate to each other. We've all had situations that we probably can relate to, but so many of us try and hide those things. They're really what makes you who you are. They're really what makes you stand out. They're really what grounds you. Yes, things don't define you, but how you reacted, how you got out of those bad situations forms your true character today. They form the person who you've become. So why would you be ashamed of sharing your story? Don't be afraid to really reveal who you are. Granted, obviously those people that you're revealing to yourself to have your best interest at heart. Sometimes you may be going through a situation where you feel like you're the only one that's ever gone through this, but when you open up, you'll be surprised to see how so many people are going through the same situation. So don't bottle yourself up. Don't limit yourself. Don't be scared to share your story. You'll be surprised at how many people's lives you would touch, and that's part of becoming the best version of yourself. Touching people's lives, adding value to people's lives, and of truly owning who you are. Okay, thank you for joining me today. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.